Hey guys, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the language on the Booking.com website in just a few seconds. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Booking.com in the URL box and search. Once you're inside the home page of Booking.com, make sure you're also logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the flag icon at the top right corner and then go ahead and select a different country you want to change to. After you do that, you will be able to change your language. Your display language will change immediately. And that's how you can easily change your language in Booking.com website. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.